Dave from EK.
Yeah.
And so he's going to walk us through some of the goodies that we're showing here.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So this is the 977 EK Compact. It's like a concept case at the moment. It's not actually a finished product. So the main concept of this case is you can actually take the motherboard tray out and the power supply tray. And you can actually flip it and invert the case completely. And this is where sort of the issues arise at the moment. So some of the things we're changing is the radiators are on sliders currently. So all this slides out and it's got fan filters that slide out as well. But if you invert the case, at the moment you haven't got enough space here. So you have to invert the radiator sliders as well.
I see.
And we want to make it easier for the customer and quicker for the customer. So we're going to make that so you've got the space, so the more centralised. We're also putting a bracket at the back of the case, so this whole panel moves and comes out. But at the moment, because this is a single sheet of aluminium the whole way round to about here.
Yeah.
Because of that, the whole case sort of, when it's full like this, when it's got all the weight, it kind of moves slightly, and we want to stop that, so I'm strengthening that as well. Some of the things with this case is it can hold dual 420mm radiators, up to dual 420, so you can have 360s if you want, and they can be cross flow radiators, so they don't have to be all at one end.
Yep.
We've got mounting points already for a distribution plate, which we'll be putting at the front.
Right along here then?
Yeah,
on the
down
front.
here.
Okay. Yep.
And what we can do with that, with the sliding radiators, you can slide the radiators into the distribution plates.
Oh, okay.
So you won't have any fittings. So
Yeah. Wow, cool.
That's
convenient.
Yeah. You can have your graphics card in both horizontal and vertical positions. You've got plenty of space here as well if you want it in a vertical position for air cooling, if you really wanted to. So you've got plenty of space there. And like I said, the main feature with it having the ability to be inverted, no two cases or no two builds need to be the same, because not only can you have it in this configuration, you can flip the whole thing over, and once everything's flipped over, it looks
completely different
again. We're hoping that this will be released in July sometime, and even down to things like the power button. The power button isn't actually a button, it's a little touch sensor.
Is it a collaboration with Inwin?
So Inwin, we designed it, and we're going to be the ones that are selling it, but Inwin made it for us.
Got it.
We'd like to partner with Inwin because they've got the premium quality aluminium, 4mm aluminium.
Yeah, it's very thick.
Yeah. With the diamond edge cut as well. So
It's got the really chamfer.
Nice chamfer. We also have, this is really difficult to do, so it's actually two bends to make the corners.
Right.
And not many companies have got the ability to make that.
The case is Matrix 7 fitting compatible.
So if you use all EK Matrix 7 fittings, it's always going to be in a multiple, and they'll always be perfectly lined up.
Exactly.
No more guesswork, no bending, kind of strange tubing runs if you don't need to, if you don't want to.
I built this case on Thursday last week, Thursday and Friday, so I needed to make sure that...
Did you build it here? Or?
Yeah.
That was quick then.
Yeah, so we flew everything into Taiwan, and I built it all here and I'd not seen the case before.
Right.
So it was an interesting build.
It's the Montag booth over here. Let's take a look, see what they got. Pro 12, so this is the metal Pro 12 with the airflow grooves on the fan blades. Interesting. This is the Montech metal fan. Looked at before. Some air coolers here, some tower coolers. DT27. Metal ST12. Got a white version here. That's like 5 heat pipes here. Black and white. Be Quiet hub here.
Other than showing their existing product lineup, they also had some new cases to show.
701.
Okay.
This is one of our new cases. Actually, this is the one that will latest be published this year, so in October.
October, okay.
It features our silent wings three of them, and it's made for airflow and performance cases. It comes in black and white. So the black version has a tinted window, and the white version has a clear one and white fans. We have a FX version. So FX is our lineup for the light wings and RGB. So it features 4 light wings fans in it. It has the RGB stripes at the front. We do have a fan and RGB controller built in it. Up to 8 devices can be connected. So the DX version comes with not the RGB fans, but with regular fans. Three, also 140 millimeters, but 3 of them, and also has the RGB stripes. Only difference in coloring is, so there's a black and a white version, but the white version, because of the black fans, has like a stormtrooper look, so black details on the front and the top. The black version is 200 USD.
Oh, okay, so 200 for that one.
$10. White FX version, because
white
it has
FX.
the white fans in it,
okay.
And so on, and everything is white, so it's 210 USD. So the DX.
170 for the DX.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we really thought about being most flexible as possible and build it as easy, or make it our customers as easy as possible to build their PC. So all the components you can see over there, you can access or without a screwdriver. So you can apply them just with your hand.
Center portion slides on rails, so you can go into that inverted mode pretty easily.
They also announced the straight-powered 12 power supplies, ATX 3.0, supporting up to 2 12V HPWR connections depending on the model.
It's using a Silent Wings 135, 750, 850, 1000, 1200, 1500 watts. That's the Lian Li booth here.
I did do an overview of the new products that Lian Li is releasing in a separate video, so I won't repeat that information here. Please go check out that video, but let's just go say hi to Lian Li's CEO.
Jameson Chen, he's CEO of Lian Li. You know, he designs all the products you guys love, so I'm here at the Lian Li booth just to say hi and, you know, check out all these great things again. So, you know, check out the new stuff from Lian Li.
Thanks for watching.
All right, thanks for joining me here for Computex. We'll see you in the next one.